Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Tanik, and first of all, I would love to start this video by saying Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everybody, and welcome 2026. It has been a while, but here I am back again with another yet mukbang video. So for today's video, I'm gonna eat carbonara and chicken wings that is cooked in honey butter. So without further ado, let's start eating. Ayan. Kamusta ang New Year nyo guys? Because our New Year is like simple and quiet and like that. And before I start, do you guys prefer talking videos or like not talking? Because I received a comment once saying that I talk too much. So but I tried like not talking and it just sucks because like it just doesn't feel like a Tanic mukbang because alam niyo naman ako, madaldal talaga ako ever since and it doesn't feel like my vlog if I'm too quiet. It just like feels like I'm forced here to video for you guys and it doesn't feel like my vlog. Kain. That's also part of the reason kung ba't ko kayo tinatanong, honestly. Since it's already 2026, guys, wala lang, since it's already 2026, comment down below if what ideas do you want me to do. Like, may gusto ba kayo pamukbang sa akin or like may gusto ba kayong pagawa na challenge or something like that or kung gusto niyo ba ako mag Q&A pero syempre provided niyo yung questions kasi hindi mo lang pwede mag Q&A mag-isa. Let's try wings. Di na siya crunchy. Handa kasi namin to kanina or now, New Year. So like, Natatawa ko kasi hinagawa ko yung um, hack na nakita ko sa TikTok, which is like, kukunin mo yung isang buong wings, tas subo mo siya, tas nagbalik niya, yung buto na lang. Kaso sumasama yung isang buto. And pag nanatahimik ako, it's been a while nga kasi since I'm on camera, and parang feeling ko I don't know how to act around camera anymore, and like parang back to square one ulit ako. Makabalik naman sa square one para namang famous ka, ante. Kung mapapansin nyo, mas mabilis kong kainin yung chicken wings kaysa sa carbonara kasi don't get me wrong, I love pasta. Especially yung mga white cream like yung carbonara nga. Pero I love wings more. Dati nung bata ako, hindi ako kumakain ng mushroom kasi lang, parang yung mga elders, yung matatanda around me, hindi sila kumakain ng mushroom kasi hindi ko lang din alam. But like, nung tinry ko siya, it doesn't taste, excuse me, it doesn't really taste like anything. So like, wala lang, kinain ko na siya kasi it doesn't taste like anything nga eh. Gusto ko ulit gawin yung yung life hack nga, yung subo mo na ganun, tapos pagka Kasi nadala na ako, 2 beses nag-fail. Let's just do it. Like how I always do it. Ayaw niyo bumaba sa tamang direksyon. I think this is my limit for tonight. Or technically, it's morning na kasi it's time check. It's 1:58, so like almost 2 a.m. Kumain din kasi ako kanina ng rice. So, sana pala hindi na ako kumain. So, I feel like this is my limit na for today. Kasi I don't want to force it kasi matutulog pa ako. And mahirap magpababa ng kinain. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe and hit that notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga susunod kong uploads. Like this video. Sabi ko na ba yun? Comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyong request. Like, you can comment down kung may request kayo na ipamukbang, may request kayo sa akin na i-challenge, may request kayo sa akin na vlog because I also do vlog. So, if hindi nyo alam, go visit my other YouTube channel which is Tanek Vlogs and pwede kayong manood, mag-subscribe, mag-comment, mag-like, And pwede kayong mag-request kung anong vlog, kung anong challenge, kung anong prank, kung anong whatsoever ang gusto niyo ipagawa. So, happy holidays sa inyo and welcome 2026. I will see you on my next upload. Bye-bye!